Who you know decorating like this? Like, come on now.
Stop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just these slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight.
Just got home. I stopped by Home Depot because I am about to paint. So I am gonna be painting this wall. I'm about to do it tonight. It's like almost 8 o'clock. I don't know if I'm gonna get done tonight, but I'm gonna do that. I got my supplies. Boom, got some supplies. What color paint y'all think this is? Put it in the comments. Let me know. We already know how it's gonna look. We got that. We got some cloths. That's the plan for the night. I'm about to pop a piece in the oven and then pretty much get this started. So. Finished taping, as you can see, the tape job for the lid. Now I'm about to hit the edges. I'm gonna show this color. Hopefully this is the right color. Hopefully the color come out the way I like it, because if it don't, I'm gonna be kind of mad. This is the first coat. It is the green that I wanted. I like how deep, dark the green is, but I definitely need to put another coat on there. Hey, most of this is done. So this is pretty much the finished product not the finished product, but this is all I'm gonna do right now. I don't know how much I like that plant over there and that light behind the plant. I don't know if I'm gonna switch it up or not, but I still have to get those wall panels. I gotta get the wall panels for this wall. And I feel like I gotta tighten up a little bit more stuff, but this is, the wall came out great. It still does need touch-ups, but overall, I like the color. I like how it sits. I like how it looks. It looks great. This, still a work in progress. I know Marley's bed is gonna be, I'm probably gonna keep his little bed over here, but I also just need to get those wall panels. And I'm gonna put up some frames, some posters, some pictures. That'll probably be it. Like this is probably like majority of what I'm gonna do to the living room. Like I think I'm kind of satisfied with how it turned out, and this pretty much gonna be it, man. Once I get some more like posters, maybe another poster here or something here, I'm gonna put like another light here. One of those like lights for like the poster picture lights. I'm gonna put it here so I could just have some more light shining down on that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for like the top of this or anything, or if I am gonna put something like up here. I know for sure that I'm gonna put them panels here with some frames so I can make that side looks decent. But overall, man, this is it. This is the new living area. But overall, let me know what y'all think. Y'all like it? Does it fit? Is it aesthetically pleasing? That's for sure what I was going for. I think it looks well. I think it's beautiful. Like, I think as a male, this is perfect. Like, who you know decorating like this? Like, come on now. Look at it. Who you know doing it like that? Yeah. Anyway, man, I'll see y'all.